Here we have another JMacPerformance engine build. This is a 351 Windsor. It's got a SCAT bottom end kit in it. Forged crank rods and pistons, ends up making it 393 cubic inches. Customer wanted to go with fuel injection, so we went with the fast, easy system. I've used this on a couple other engine builds before. This is an incredible fuel injection system. Works great. It's a kind of a learn as you go. When you go through and start it up, I set a few parameters in it, and then you fire it up and you let it run, and it actually goes through and tunes itself as the engine is running. We went with the airflow research cylinder head. Went with the 185 cylinder head. Again, the customer was looking for more torque than horsepower. This will make well over 450 horsepower, but it's probably going to make close to 500 foot-pounds of torque. You go through and take a look at the system. There's the dashboard. You see that the water temperature's up a little bit. We fired it up a little bit earlier just to make sure that we didn't have any leaks. Everything looks good. But the dashboard's very extensive. It shows you everything that you need to know. So let's go ahead and fire it up. It's not idling quite right, but that's because the system's still learning. See the air-fuel ratio and the target air-fuel ratio. Slowly going to get into the right position. Make the engine run a little better. You can tell the idle's already starting to smooth out a little bit. You can see that this engine runs really well, and again, it's going to get even better when the fuel injection system learns a little bit more once we get it in the car. You can see all the specs on the engine at JMacPerformance.com.